Hey guys, how is everyone doing today? It is me, Chazzy Wood. Some of you all asked me for a weight loss update. So today is the 21st of March, Sunday, and I'm giving it to you. Hey guys, it's me, Chazzy Wood. I can't believe that these pictures and images were taken a year ago, just as we were going into lockdown. Like everyone else, I had great plans for 2020. I imagined having absolutely fabulous holidays and just being in the best shape of my life. That was my resolution, and in March, things were going incredibly well. Then lo and behold, a few months into lockdown, I injured myself, and basically staying at home without being able to exercise much meant that I started gaining weight. Like a lot of weight for me. As beautiful as my zebra stripes are, over the last few months I have been getting back on the wagon, and I'll be giving you guys an update of how things look now. So Chazzy it is, I hope you're ready for it, because I will be giving you plenty of body yada 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 yada. In case you can't tell, yes, I have lost weight. I don't know how much because I no longer weigh myself. When you compare these to my weight gain phase, you'll see that my thighs have slimmed down and my belly is back to being ever so slightly flatter. Although I still do have some slight love handles, they are significantly reduced from 6 months ago. As you lot can tell, the problematic attitude is still there. And I guess whilst we're still here, I'm just going to take my thumbnail photos. One of the reasons I'm doing that is just to show you guys that these pictures that I am using on my thumbnail are all current. There's nothing I dislike than some deceitful content creators who basically keep recycling old pictures and selling their audience a dream of them losing weight when in actual fact, they're not. But there's nothing wrong with that. The bit that's wrong is the deceit. I'm now going to show you another outfit comparison, and this is current day Chazzy Wood in her favorite outfit, and I'm just having a bit of fun, guys. So this is me showing you how this lovely gym outfit that was one of my favorite now looks today. And this also clearly demonstrates how my body has changed over the past 5 to 6 months. Guys, do stay tuned because I will be telling you shortly about how I've achieved these results. It's always the same thing, but just stay tuned. Show your girl some love. And by the way, don't forget to smash the like button. So I'm going to go make a mimosa quickly and possibly some breakfast. It is 1:30 UK time, so I'm about to break my fast. Ooh, the birdies are singing outside, so I just thought I would go. Cheers, guys. We've made it into 2021. I almost said 22. I'm sitting down. When it comes to weight loss or any changes in yourself, you need to accept that you are the common denominator. Therefore, you need to make all the necessary changes. So for those of you who aren't aware, we're still in lockdown in the UK, and although you can exercise outside, there's so much gymming you can do. So you do see like a lot of personal trainers out and about in the local parks, but I kept my life very, very simple. I realized I had to get moving, so all I've been doing 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, is waking up at 6:30 and going for a 10,000 step walk. 10,000 step basically equates to be, give or take, about 5 kilometers. And if I've got to go to the supermarket or I need to do any random chores, obviously on a day I might do up to like 15,000, 20,000 steps. So all I did was I maintained intermittent fasting. You guys know that I always do intermittent fasting, and I made sure just to move around. Also, what did I do? I reduced my alcohol intake, so I only drink Thursday to Sunday, and Monday to Thursday/Friday I don't drink. So that's the usual thing that I go with. And we still try to be like about 70-80% vegetarian. That hasn't changed. Get yourself into a routine. Like, I'm a person who doesn't like routines naturally, and these days I've actually got a routine and I'm thriving. I don't have to wake up at 6:30, but I feel really good if I wake up at 6:30. I could drink every single day, but I know that I feel bad the next day if I drink every single day. Like, I like to be fresh Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and on about Thursday, I'm tired naturally anyway. So at that point, when I wake up Thursday morning, Friday morning, my body already feels like it's had a drink, so why am I going to make things worse? If you do have a problem with snacks, minimize the snacks you buy. Maybe choose alternative snacks such as hummus, carrot sticks, celery, apples. You don't need it to be eating crisps all the time. If it is that you like sugary cereals, you need to be an adult and suck it up and give that stuff up. What else? Like, it's boring, but you need to move. Like, I used to run all the time, but I don't have the will to run. Right now, all I do is I wake up in the morning, have a cup of coffee, and what do? Wake up, have a cup of coffee, put on my gym kit, put on my crusty, nasty ass trainers or sneakers, and I go for a walk. But how do I make my walk really enjoyable? So I'm looking forward to it every single day. I put on a podcast. My podcast lasts about 45 minutes, and if I've got like 2 good podcasts, I'm done. So yeah, that's my incredibly boring how to lose weight during lockdown without doing anything crazy. But no one's going to click on this video. Why? Because people are going to go to all the clickbait. You're going to go to all the people giving you wrong advice. If you want to do Chloe Ting, do Chloe Ting. I think she's amazing, absolutely amazing. But most people just have no... Most people just, I guess it's been long. It's been long, so most people just don't want to do anything. But this is my weight loss update. And to be honest with you, I'm all about the routines. I'll stick with the current routines I've got. I don't think I'm going to go to the gym for a while just because. So I'll just continue doing my walks every single day, and I'll increase it to like 15,000 steps because it is getting warmer, which means that my beautiful pockets are opening for longer. So if I do 10k in the morning and 5k in the evening, for me, I need to be physically active as well, because I realize that it helps me have a great night's sleep. So if I've been active during the day, like physically active, and I've been mentally active and also do some reading, I'm good to sleep. So this was my weight loss update. So all I'm saying is, it's really boring what I've got to say, but it works. Just give your body time and do intermittent fasting in the morning on an empty bed, and go on your walk whilst intermittent fasting. I think that's like the most important takeaway. So yeah, cheers. So I'm just admiring myself. I think I'm ready for the summer.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, no, just have to follow that, because you don't know